My humble pranams and greetings to Dr. Pitamaha Brahmarshi Patriji and Mataji Swarnamala Patriji. Dear friends, dear masters, dear gods of Malaysia, today we have a great pleasure inviting Madam Sujata Reddy Devarapalli from Hyderabad. She is a postgraduate in MBA IT from Hyderabad. She worked as associate web graphic designer in Sadhguru Management Consultants in Hyderabad for a period of 9 years. She has been doing meditation for the past 18 years, masters. She has conducted meditation classes in schools, government offices since the year 2005. She had wonderful experiences in meditation and was always guided by astral masters. Now she is working for Spiritual India magazine for the past 3 years as a designer and digital media coordinator. We, from the Malaysian Paces Movement, Madam Master Sujata Reddy, we humbly, cordially invite you to our platform today. So please come on the platform. It's all yours now.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
It's yours.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. And Andariki Munduga Namaskaram. And hello, masters. I'm so happy today because I always love to make a new friends, first of all. So, because the friendship is very important, because see, the friendliness will make us very free, and it's so nice actually. And I'm here really so happy to share my all experiences with you. And thanks to the team. So, actually, let me introduce myself. I'm Shrujana Devarapalli. So right now I'm working in Spiritual India, Spiritual Science magazine as a designer and digital media coordinator. I always like designing. So I was introduced to the meditation when I was in 10th standard. So actually right now I'm staying in Hyderabad. Basically I'm from Khammam district in Telangana. So when I was in my 10th standard, so now my soulmate and my lovely husband, Mr. Venugopal Reddy, he's the chief executive for the Spiritual India and Spiritual Science magazine. So he is the one. And so actually I'm just introduced by Mr. Venugopal Reddy sir to the meditation. So when I was in 10th standard, he is my mamagaru, my mother wala brother. So my mother's brother, and actually what happened when he is staying in Hyderabad only, Banjara Hills Road number 12. When I was in my 10th standard, so I came to his home. During those holidays time, so I was busy with all these, like my cousins, I'm playing some games and all. Suddenly, Mr. Venugopal Reddy, what he did, like he's explaining about the meditation to someone else. So what happened in that time, actually, when I was playing automatically, just my ears, like I would able to hear like something like meditation means like it's totally emptying your mind. That means no thoughts. So nothing will come. So this is what it happens in meditation. Totally silence. So many things will happen in meditation. That is what he's explaining to that person. So suddenly I came to know that, and I noticed actually. Then I got very much interested. So later on, like same day, actually I asked, sir, actually what is, so what is that, Venuji, what is that meditation? You are saying something to one person, just I was able to hear that about the meditation. So could you just please tell me that what it is? Then he said like meditation means like emptying your mind. So there will be no thoughts ever, ma. So automatically your concentration and your memory power, everything will, there are many benefits. The first thing is like emptying. Well, so there is no thoughts whatsoever. That's what he said, the first sentence. And that time actually without knowing itself, and I said immediately, is it possible? No, I will not accept this. This will never happen. Is there any person like who is having, without living without thoughts and all? That will never happen. No, I don't accept this one. Then he said immediately, like, what are you saying? Because first of all, first you just practice, and later you just come to me what is happened and what is happening. So first experience that. That's what he said. My nature is always and anything, if anything I wanted to know, so I have to know that, and I have to go within that. I have to go deeper into that. Then only I'll be very happy. So what I did immediately, okay, let me do the meditation first, then we will discuss about that. That's what I said. Then the moment immediately I just asked him, like, is there any particular rules and regulations? Like, he said, like, he took me to into one room, and he switched off the light, and he said, only cross your legs and fingers into fingers like this, just close your eyes and observe your breath. That's what he said. Okay, my nature is, as I said, like, if anything is there, I always put my 100% efforts into that, because if not, we will not learn anything. That is what kind of nature I'm having. In the school timing was also, I'm always like, I never used to do that homework and all. I always focused what teacher is saying. So based on that only I go to the examination or wherever, whatever the practical sessions, I just followed my memory, what I heard and what I learned practically. So I always I will never depend on the like homeworks and all. That is not my nature. Like that only I completed my degree and MBA and everything. And so finally, like, I slowly started concentrating on the meditation. Initial few minutes, initially, like, as mind is a monkey mind, or mind is, so automatically we all know that slowly, many thoughts, it started coming. And I observed one thing. Actually, when we are like normal situation, normal thing, normal movements and all, actually there are whatever the thoughts, like normal thoughts and normal thinking, it will happen. But when I started doing meditation, I observed one thing. There are many unnecessary thoughts are coming into my mind. So it disturbed me a lot, but I started concentrating again on that. So slowly, step by step, I just avoid everything. I started avoiding everything, and again coming back to the breath, and just observing the breath. I did like that. And so after some time, I could able to see that pin drops, one pin fall down, then that sound also I could able to see very clearly. And next, actually, then suddenly I went to one place, and it is totally like filled with light and all. Like, light means like there is a tube light, like in moonlight. If you observed in full moon time, actually how that moon looks, actually that kind of energy light I just felt. And suddenly it started raining, and I have seen the colors. That's what it's happened to me. So later on that, Mr. Venuji, he came to my room, and I'm into the same situation. Just as it is, I'm in the meditation posture only, I'm doing it, I'm continuing it. So he came to my room, and he just touched me like this. And Shrujana, what happened to you? How is it? He asked me the thing. Then I said, like, what? Nothing. Actually, initially I got so much disturbed by thoughts, and later on, I have seen one kind of silver light and all, and it's rain is happening. I was there in that. I could able to see some of colors. That's what in a glimpses I have given that. He said, "Oh, nothing, fine, okay, very good." And he didn't even ask me to continue, and he didn't even say anything to me. Okay, just he asked me only one question: "How much time you spent?" He asked me only one thing. Then I said, "Approximately, it's all like 15 to 18, max to max 20 minutes. That's it, not more than that." Then I came out, and I've seen, I was there in meditation 1 hour 48 minutes exactly. It's so surprised for me, really. 1 hour 48 minutes. Then suddenly I noticed where that all time is gone. What happened actually? If I So automatically these kind of thoughts are coming into my mind. In the day, rest of the day, totally, wherever I go and wherever I wanted to participate the games or some spending with the cousins also, in one side, actually, there are many thinkings and there are many thoughts are coming, like, where is the time gone actually? If you are thinking or if you are in dreaming or something, there should be a little time more. But it's not like that. I practically experienced, I have seen that light. And moreover, okay, if it is dream, then it's mostly like 10 to 12 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. But it's 1 hour 48 minutes. There is something. It means a lot to me. Then finally, okay, uh, actually, so I kept all these things. But one thing is very interesting. I was there. I'm feeling that rain, but I'm not wet actually. I'm not feeling that wet kind of feeling. Then who is feeling that? All these kind of things are coming into my mind. Then okay, whatever. Then I kept all these things aside. I went back to my hometown. So I just joined into the intermediate. So but as I said, if anything is there, my nature is I have to go within. So I have to know that what is there in that deeper and deeper. I decided very strongly, okay, from now onwards I'll do the meditation. Let me see like what will happen more and more inside. Then I started doing it. Then I have selected one nice place, and in hometown, like myself, my sister is there only, and I mean I have only one sister. So I was doing the meditation. 13th day exactly, all this slow day by day, day by day, day by day, all those thoughts slowly, slowly, slowly coming down. And at one point of time, actually there are no thoughts at all, empty, totally emptiness, and very deeper and deeper stage. So 13th day exactly, I would able to see one light actually, and it is slowly, slowly, slowly coming in front of me, and it's like almost in just a feet distance. There is one light. There is a light, and immediately my astral body. I that time I didn't even know like what was happening. Now I'm able to explain it. I came to know that that is astral travel. So that time actually my body, it's a kind of like like suddenly when I have seen that light, and immediately my body it's disconnected from this physical system, and I would able to travel into those walls and all, and I'm experimenting everywhere. I'm pretty much sure, and my mother is doing something. She was there on sofa, and my sister is reading, and I know that my physical system is there at my room, where I was reading my books. Then I'm clearly witnessing all those things. Then next day actually, so I don't know like when I came back, and by the time I woke up, then I was just sleeping. And up later on, but all these experience I'm just witnessing it very clearly, because I experimented many times, going into the wall and coming back again, and again and again, 2 or 3 times, but what my mother is doing. And I just noticed what my sister is reading. That time I would able to know that very clearly. Then once I come back, okay, then next day I got so much intense, like I got pretty much interested about it. I have to know what is happening me. I have to know what is there actually. Then my that force is like it's the interest is more and more in inside me. Then next day actually again I did the same thing. So same like light, it is coming to me like slowly, slowly, and I would able to see one kind of structure actually. It's one master is coming. So one master I identified. He's just a sky blue color kind of farron he just wearing, and that black color belt he just tied here, and bald head is there, some beard is there, and like kind of it's not a kind of pleasure, and it's not kind of like seriousness. His face is totally different. Then I got feared immediately. Then immediately I'm again I came back to the meditation. Later on, I thought like, what is happening? Why I came out from the meditation? What is that first of all? Who is that person? Then I thought again, no, I have to go. I have to do meditation again. Again, I went back to my reading room, study room. Then I started doing it again. Then later on, again the same thing happened to me. Then I asked only one thing, Master, what is the energy? Then immediately he just turned into that kind of pyramid structure and all that full of light. Just it's went on my forehead. It's forcefully hit on my forehead. That's it. The whole my system got fully lighted and full of light. Then immediately from that next day onwards, like what happened to me because of that energy, so much energy. Because suddenly it went on to my physical system. Actually, that physical system also should get ready for that, no? So without knowing itself, I got tremendous energy. Then from that day onwards, literally 7 days, not 5 days, hardly no water, nothing. Not one, because I'm not able to drink water also. Because of that energy, my totally physical system got heat, very heat, so much of heat. Because of that, actually, I would not able to take any single water drop also, and not a food also. Every day, when I go to my college, all my next to my whoever is sitting, my friends and all, they are just asking like, "What happened to you? Why this much of heat is coming from you?" But when they looked at me, actually, you are so nice, you are blushing and you are glowing. What is happening? What you are doing? Please tell me. No, they started asking me like that. But actually, I know what I'm doing, and it's like all those things are like confused. And every day, day by day, I'm getting more interested about it. So like that, it happened to me like 5 days, no water, nothing. My mother used to give me the lunch box and all. So I used to give it to someone else. When I was there at home, I used to manage. I used to throw it somewhere like that. I just managed. So totally my physical system, it totally changed from here to here. At least I couldn't able to eat anything or drink anything, but I'm fully all right, perfectly all right. Everybody is like, how energetic you are looking. You are totally different. You are totally different, and your way of talking and your way of listening, everything totally changed. They just observed me like I was not there like before how I am. So those things happened to me immediately. So that was my first experience with with one master. But at that time I was not even know like who was that, and what happened to me. I didn't even know all these things, because I'm not touch with anyone. I'm not so far of all this meditation and all these things. So suddenly 16th day, this experience actually, like, 14th or 15th day later on, like after 1 week and all, suddenly 21st day or 22nd, I was there at my lawn, and suddenly I received one courier. Then I just picked up that courier. It was book actually. I just opened that, and when I opened and see that cover page, whoever the master I've seen on the meditation, he is there on the cover page. I just surprised immediately, and I didn't even know that who I mean, the master who is introduced me to the meditation, of course, my husband, Mr. Venuji, he sent me that book. So that time I have a landline, and he called me immediately, just within 1 hour. He called me and he asked me that, did you receive the book? Then that is actually the master. He is the Lobsang Rampa. Book name is You Forever. Literally, like I'm just surprised and shocked, and all like some unknowing feelings, all those like I'm just light, and I'm like moving in the clouds, that kind of feeling unknowingly it's happening to me. So, and I'm so excited to see that book. And the good thing and beautiful thing is, the master who has seen in the meditation, he's there on the same, like kind of a smiley and seriousness, same thing. Then I explained the same thing to Mr. Vinu, and okay, then he said like, okay, continue, ma, whatever is there, you just continue with that. Okay, then later on, like I had, he is the one master who guided me in many things. Because whenever we are with masters, their consciousness is always be added with us. With that consciousness, and with the support, and with that vibrations and vibrational levels and whatever, when we are doing with that meditation, as we know that automatically our thinking will be changed, our perceptions will be changed, the way of looking, the way of listening, everything will be changed. Because there are the same thing actually in a physical system, and we are having that, there are two things actually. So in a physical system we are having the intellect, and the same thing is in other, in a higher levels, when we go to that, we are having that light. So body means always like in a physical, in society mind, automatically whatever the thinkings we are giving, and we are giving, and we are pouring into those that kind of society thoughts, it will be very heavy. But when we are connected with that meditation, all those thoughts will go off, and we travel to our original sthiti, we'll go to our real state. So there we would able to do whatever we want, and whatever the things start slowly. I just increased my meditation, and I got many experiences. Then I decided, and simultaneously I'm just continuing my studies is also. So I completed my intermediate and all. Then I just started my post graduation, sorry, graduate. So that is happened in Kammam only. So I just stayed in my whatever, whoever the neighbors are there. Then I decided, and I started just explaining the meditation to everyone, whoever is there, wherever I go. I just start, always used to start this, like, do meditation. That is very nice, that increases all these, whatever the benefits are those, as we all know that. So I used to tell them the same things. And actually, so like that, my journey is going very well. So in slowly, what happened? Lobsang Rampa Master, he started, like, his teachings. And like how, if you all are in front of me, like how I would able to see that, the similar way I would able to see Lobsang Rampa Master also. And wherever I'm traveling, actually my college to my home, it's a like 20 minutes journey by bus. So I always like, when I was traveling by bus, I would able to hear his voice and his speeches and all. Whatever, if I'm thinking something else, no, be focused what you are there, empty your mind. And some kind of all those lessons and all those teachings, it started actually his speeches and his voice. And slowly, actually one day what happened, I came back to my home, after my completion of college. Then I came back to my home. I was just laying down because I'm getting so much stomach pain here. Then, as I said, like, master always, he's visible in front of me, and his presence was there always, anytime. So TV, I'm just watching the TV. Then he said immediately, he just he was I'm able to see him on the TV. I'm clearly witnessed, and I'm clearly noticed that Chiranjeevi song was playing. And immediately the other screen, the TV automatically turned into two screens, two parts. And one side that Chiranjeevi dance is happening, then other side Rupsang Rampa Master do meditation. What I'm saying, do meditation first. That is the first time I have seen him, like, a kind of, until that he's very friendly and all those kind of things. But suddenly, that seriousness I have seen, then immediately just I did meditation and all. Then his hands, it's like, in front, then immediately on the meditation, his hands, like, it's moving like this, and a kind of ball. And all those sparkles, it's filled with that. And the light into immediately just gone here. And I witnessed clearly that kind of uh, red color, like a ball kind of thing, it's went off. And immediately the day he took me to that my past life, like where I have, why my past life I have seen that day very clearly. And actually, being as a, like, normal person. And later on I conducted many classes. And after that experience, I started very well, and I started spreading meditation very eagerly. And all those my colony members and my family members, wherever I go, I started taking classes. And though I invited many of the people and do the meditation, this is what it's happening. And it happened to me. I personally felt like that. So every day, almost I started, like, one mandala and two mandalas. After that, finished that again, like, 1 week classes and all. So every, like, all my colony members and all uncle and aunties are like, they are very happy with me. And every day, whenever I go to that, Sujana, what is happening next? What book you are reading? And should we do one more meditation session? Otherwise, we'll go to and we will spread the meditation. All these things are happening to me. So my father and my mother noticed that, and they thought, like, what this girl is doing actually. She's a graduate and she's supposed to read all those books, and she is supposed to go to college, and she has to think about her future. But why she's doing all this meditation? What is she doing? Then they said, like, you are having your second year final year exams. So don't go anywhere. No meditation, nothing. You are not concentrating on your studies. So first you concentrate on it, then we will think about it. No meditation, nothing. He said very seriously. But my nature is I have to go and I have to spread the meditation because that gives me more joy always. And like how I'm making friends of you, like that many friends. I can make many more friends, and I'll be very happy. And I'm clearly witnessing all those happiness and inside happiness. Everything is happening to me so nicely. Then I don't want to miss that. Then I decided, and I said again, like, okay, this is what it's happening, master. Then what should I do? Okay, then meditation. That's it. Then immediately then I sat in my meditation. Then Rampa Master again he said same thing. Okay, do meditation. One again start one mandala from tomorrow onwards. You will know you definitely you are going to teach the meditation. Okay, that happens to you, no problem. Without going outside itself only it will happen to you like that kind of voice and that kind of sentences he's like giving it to me that guidance. Okay, then as like my master said, why I have to worry? Okay, I'll start meditation. From next day onwards, again I started. Then I said, okay, ma, I'm going to read. I'm going to my study room. That's what he said. Please don't disturb because I have to study my books. Okay, please don't disturb. That's what I said very clearly and very confidently. And then okay, they said, oh, okay, she's reading. Became normal. Okay, fine. Let her do whatever she wants. Then I just went inside. I just opened my books and kept like that. And the opposite direction I sat. When they opened the door, I'm just everybody like they should think like, she's reading only. Okay, that's what. And I started again. Okay, and after that, so once I got connected into that meditation, once I got going to the deeper and deeper, and I used to go to that astral travels. There actually there are many souls, and one side Rampa Master. There is a one kind of like wisdom tree kind of tree was there, and there are many souls, beautiful souls. And 41 days, every day, same place. I used to go to there, and I used to teach that meditation. Same thing, like how we are doing that same Anapanasati and whatever the meditation. I used to teach them, and after 41 days in the presence of Lopsang Rampa Master, all the souls are like it's like blow up and it's opened up and in front of our visions it's got into that higher worlds. I felt so happy, and it means a lot to me. And I felt very happy. Oh my god, this is what, see, as of now my thinking perceptions and all things it was there because I didn't even know anything. There is like higher worlds, there is a higher self. So when we go to that, there I didn't even know anything. But day by day, all these meditation experiences, it is taking me to the different worlds and different dimensions. And I would able to see my past life and all. And in the presence of Master Lobsang Rampa Master, his guidance is abundance. He always used to be with me like in my each and every living style, and whatever the things are, whatever I'm doing it, he's always next to me with life. So, and I completed my, and my, as like my parents said, okay, she, oh nice, she started reading and she became a very nice girl. That is what she got so many marks. They didn't know that reason and all, because he's behind me. So, and in other side the truth is I know that I went to the astral travels and there we explained the meditation and all these things. In fact, so I just focused on my one, only a very few times I focused whatever I want. Automatically I just got distinction, I got good marks and all in graduation. I got distinction in fact. Until that, before, when I was there in my school timing and all, I'm just okay first class student only, but not like distinctions 80-90%. I never used to get that. But once I came to this, all those things unknowingly, without knowing itself, is if something is interesting and if I want to focus, automatically whatever the things, all those my senses are open, it's used to be open. And I would able to concentrate what other person is saying, how it is used, everything, because we are all so beautiful souls. each and every person is having something new, something to learn from them. At least if a smile is also gives so many things. So that's it. That is the reason I always wanted to meet the people, because I'm happy by learning many things from them. So that is how the beautiful journey is going. So I completed my graduation, and so I'm pretty much interested, and my passion is fashion designing. And I thought like I have to design beautiful things, and so I have, that is my passion, fashion designing. But my as my parents said, what fashion designing? Ah, what you will do, ma? Tailoring? Ah, no, no, all these things will not work here. Okay, simply go to MBA or MCA. Just do that. What are you thinking? Fashion designing? What future, amma? Nothing. No, go, go. That is what they said. Okay, here also I don't have option. Let's see what will happen. Because actually, this is not my overconfidence, friends. But only one thing is, whatever is happening to me, best will happen to me. Because I'm with the emptiness. I'm with the under master's pure consciousness. So definitely there will be something for me. Whatever, if it really wants to me, then definitely it will come back to me. But I will never disappoint, and I will never get me. Whatever the things, just flow with the nature. That is what I learned the first thing. Okay, then I came to Hyderabad, and I just I wrote entrance into that MBA. I got the admission into Symbiosis Pune. Okay, then I completed my first semester. Second semester, I came back to my uncle's home, Hyderabad. So in a holidays time, actually, as a I'm pretty much interested on designing, no. So every day, all those magazines like designing newspapers and all, I'll always first I'll pick up into the designing page only. Beautiful dresses, saris, and what is there into the designing. That is what only I will see first. So as usually, I got the newspaper Times. Then in that page, actually, I'm seeing all those designs and all. Like same how I'm sitting in front of me. Actually, Rampa Master was there. Then he is saying like, turn the paper. Then again into that light language. Actually, what I'm saying, turn the paper first. Then I just turned the paper. Immediately there was like a column, small box, this much, just only a very small little letters. It's written there. There is an entrance test for fashion designing in NIFT, which is located in Hyderabad only. National Institute of Fashion Designing. Automatically, see friends, or as we know that when we do the meditation, when we started doing the meditation, what will happen? Our perceptions will change. The right way of thinking, right way of listening, right way of talking. So all these things it is happening to us. Into the part of that, suddenly the right way of focus. It is a very small, very tiny. I have the paper also now. So very small box this much. There they have written, see, actually we are conducting the entrance test. Into that, whoever is qualified, for two people only they are taking, and they will give the free diploma degree certificate. That's it. Master, as master said, immediately I just applied to that, and almost like around 180 to 200 people that we participated into that entrance exam. Then two people, no, I'm into that. I felt very happy immediately. Like all those, see how now also I'm feeling that experience and all. Goosebumps are coming, like, because that's my passion. It came to me immediately. And master, like, I, I really bored up, and I felt it like this, and whole like, thank you so much, master. Thank you. And I completed my fashion degree. How like it's mesmerized, and he guided me. So like that it happened to me, because the reason is actually when I came back to Hyderabad, because simultaneously I continued my MBA also, because online I completed first year I completed, and second year actually through online I just completed my MBA, and simultaneously I did my fashion designing. So finally my dream comes true. So then actually, that time I didn't even know anything, because that means now we have Zoom sessions and we have personal interactions and we have a chance to go everywhere and we can conduct the classes. There are many opportunities now, but that time actually, a very few people, first of all, very few people would able to listen like what I'm saying. So suddenly I thought, no, I have to share all these experiences to everyone. Whoever wants to listen, they'll listen. Whoever wants to get benefit, they'll get benefit. I have to teach meditation. That is the only thing on my mind. Then I started going to the schools and colleges and wherever I go, and I used to teach meditation to childrens and lecturers and all. And like that, unknowingly, actually, I didn't even know like what to talk, what to tell about the meditation and all. But suddenly I noticed, because of the Rampa Master's consciousness, wherever the place before, like Srujana, like this she is like. But once I started talking about meditation, my whole physical system used to be changed because of Master's consciousness. I didn't even notice like what I'm talking and what I'm saying, like all in the presence of Lobsang Rampa Master. I would able to teach that meditation and whatever the benefits, like how that consciousness levels are adding to the human being, and what are the benefits, everything. And I used to give the whole information about the meditation like that actually. So final one day, like that I conducted the classes in RBI and Gandhi Bhavan and some of the SBI bank, government offices, many offices I just conducted. So there is a RBI. So Hyderabad, their office is having here also. That time actually, so I was having a small mobile. I don't know how he got the number. He just called me, one person. He said that he asked me like, ma, meditation, we need the meditation class, would you able to come or what? I said, yes sir, I'm so happy to come. So next day, okay ma, Saturday will be the session, so I'll give you a call. There is a 4 days gap between that. Okay sir, I'll come. He addressed me and he guided me that address. Okay sir, no problem, I'll be there on time, no problem, I said. And he asked me, here I just noticed one thing. He asked me about that meditation. Fine. Just before that class, 2 days, he called me again. So Srujana, are you ready? Are you ready to come? Are you? Yes sir, I'm coming tomorrow, I'll be there. Okay, I'll send you vehicle. No sir, nothing, I'll come by myself. That's what I said. I went to Gandhi Bhavan office. There is so much security and there are many people. I just went inside and so one person, Mr. Venkatesh, he came to me. He's next to me. Then he said that, okay, madam, we'll go to whoever the person, like manager or his room. He took me to that room. Okay, sir, namaste. I said, okay, ma. Yeah, where is Shrujana? He's asking me, because by seeing me, I'm just a MBA first year. He thought like meditation teacher means like a little like, aged person, not aged, but he expected something actually. And elder one or whatever. He's telling and he's looking like this. Where is she? Oh, first I didn't notice that then. I said, Namaste, sir, I'm Srujana. Oh, he has given me a different expression. Sorry. Then he said that, okay, ma, should we start the meditation? You are going to take the class, right? Huh. Until that, actually, he said, I will be there. I will be also going to join that meditation session. That's what he told me on the phone call. He said, okay, ma, I have some urgent work. Okay, you go and take the class. Okay, that's what he said. At that time, I noticed, okay, then fine. Just two steps, I just turned and I just put two steps back. Then immediately I said, sir, if you have time, please come to at least 10 minutes, sir. Please. This is my humble request, sir. Please come at least for 10 minutes, sir. I'll be very happy if you come to meditation session, sir. That's what I requested him. Then there I went into the auditorium room. There are like 100 above 120 people or 130 people, all are very, I mean, elder one and old people also there, and very all government officers all there. Suddenly, unknowingly, a kind of fear. Oh my God, there are many people. Like what to do? Nothing. I just sat and immediately, no problem. Go ahead. Everything will be all right. That's what he said. Then I started talking about that meditation and all. And that person, the manager, whoever is there, he also, I don't know what he thought, but without expecting, he came to that session and he just sat in front of me like only 3 or 4 feet distance. Just he's the only one person first in the room. And he said only 10 minutes. No, he was there until that full of session. And he said like after completion of my meditation session and all, he said like, actually, this girl, I thought like there will be going to come a elder one or old elder aged people or what something I thought. And this girl, what she will tell, that's what it is into on my mind. But how pretty, she's so fortunate, like how good she explained. So from now onwards, we will conduct the meditation session. So like that, 6 weeks or 7 weeks sessions, we just regularly we conducted. And from next day onwards, he said, Madam, I'll send you car, come by car. No, sir, nothing, nothing. Then he started treating me like madam. And all this, like, when a kind of master, how big master, they will give that kind of respect and all these things. Suddenly it started coming me. Then I said, sir, it's okay, no problem, sir. I'll come by myself, sir. And no, ma, you in a spreading meditation point of view and teaching, you are very far compared to us, like you are so far, because now we are only like very young souls, like we have to learn all these things. That is what we are expecting you from, learning many things from you. Like that, I conducted all those classes. See, like a casual, like a normal human being like me. And I didn't even know anything. I came from like one kind of village, but I started teaching and I did my fashion designing and I'm enjoying my life. And day by day, all those conscious levels. And in my lifetime, I learned many things: how to handle the situations, how to be with the people. And many of them, like, so many friends and all these things. And I got connected with many of them, like so many masters. Whenever I started doing that meditation, I experienced it in astrally and astral travels, and like that Osho. And one time actually, when I was there into meditation, I noticed very clearly Linda Goodman, Buddha master. And there are many more spiritual masters, like they are talking about they just discussing about that music, meditation kind of thing. So all those light into it is spreading everywhere, whole the world, like how they are increasing the vibration levels of the earth, how it is moving the earth, how it is uplifting, all those kind of things I would able to see. So like that, in the beautiful of my journey, I finally I got my job. Even that is also happened to me through meditation only. Really, friends, I'm telling all these things seriously. And actually, like I was not interested on job that time. But what happened? Suddenly, I got one call. My resume got posted into that Google, and the resume, they just called me and they told me like, currently, I mean, previously where I was worked into, I worked only with one company, Sadhguru Management Consultants. So they called me. They said that okay, we are looking for web designers. Here I have to tell one more story also. See, I did my fashion designing, no. So actually, I supposed to do fashion designing course, but that time no awareness. There was I was not even aware of all these things. Course the names also I didn't know that. So suddenly what happened? I joined in web designing. I thought web means what? Designing is there, no? So web means what? Okay, web designing means designing only. It is matching with that my fashion designing. Web means what? Screen. So my perception was like, on the screen I can fast, you know, that is the related course for that fashion designing. That's what I thought. And I joined in web design. I completed my course. Photoshop I completed, Dreamweaver I completed, websites there we are starting making websites also. Still I'm see how uh, lack of ever, I don't know that. Then I'm still thinking, where is my designing? When will my designing come? Then they said, this is not web designing, Amma. You have to do graphic designing, Ma. For that, oh, okay. Anyhow, I love designing, no? Whatever the designing is my passion. So why don't I do all this web designing? Websites is also very nice. So getting all these things in Photoshop. I love Photoshop. I honestly love my profession. I love it so much. I can't even express how much I love Photoshop because with that Photoshop itself, only today I'm here. Today I'm designing that Spiritual India magazine and all, whatever the concepts automatically. So it is coming from within me. Those all concepts with the help of Photoshop only I'm doing that. So, okay, I decided whatever the designing is also there, I would able to do it from Photoshop itself only, no problem. Then I started continuing my career. Like that, I completed my web designing. Suddenly, they got called me. Okay, ma, we are looking for web designer. So, will you able to come to the interview or what? That's what they asked me. Then I said, sir, I'm not interested, sir. Sorry, sir. I didn't even know like who posted my resume. So I'm so sorry, sir. I'm not interested. That's what I said. Again, they called me. See, after 1 month, again, after 1.5 month, again, I got the call from the same company. They said that, sir, your company is consultancy. So I'm not interested, sir. That's what I said to avoid them. They said that, no, ma, you come to my office, just see first. If you are interested, then only we will take you. And they said one thing, actually, weekly 5 days only, working days. I felt very happy. Okay, weekly 5 means what? Rest of the 2 days, I can spread the meditation, no? Okay, I'll go and I'll join. No problem. Okay, sir, tomorrow I'll come. Just I went there. And seriously, they asked me actually, so designing concept, they asked me. And they asked me, tell me about yourself. I said like all this, like I'm Sujana Reddy, whatever the blah blah blah. Then I said, I love meditation. I love teaching meditation, and I love traveling. All these things, and I love spiritual reading. Reading books. I said, I don't know. They got pretty much interested, and they have given me the website, and I explained very clearly. See, here also meditation helps me how beautifully, because all those colors are there, no, that silver energy kind of colors and bluish colors and whatever the souls and chakras, all those colors are there. So each and every chakra, as we know, that it's representing of one kind of color. That kind of same related kind of websites only I just made it, and I explained the same thing. This is what, why I have taken chosen this color, means this is related to this chakra. This is what I have taken, and this color I have taken, this is related to corporate sectors. I divided each and every perspective, and I explained very clearly, and through the meditation only I explained very clearly, because I have designed the website itself only related to that meditation. Then they said that, okay, Shrujana, from next Monday onwards, just join into that company, that's it. We are very happy to take you. Then I felt very happy, and there actually I learned many things. Many things means many things actually, because just until that, the life is totally different. Because like before that, Shrujana is means what? Like a kind of playing cheerful girl, mingling with the people, and that is what. But once we come to the, if we have kind of responsibility, we have to focus on it. Then they have given me the good opportunity. I decided myself, I have to give my 100% best into that. Because as of now, I have just only learned theoretically the web designing and whatever the designing I learned. But here I have to prove myself as a practical. Like that, I started my career really. And how much I have grown and how where I've been means, I used to work with American companies, Cornell University, ICRISAT University, and Dharwad University, Tamil Nadu, all those universities. So all the universities, and in fact, the greatest thing is for me, they are having the designers also. But their clients used to call me and, hello, Sujana, what are you doing? will you able to do this for me, please? Because I like your themes here. Please do it for me. No, that's what the kind of rapport it's built me, and they asked me to do it actually. Then only one thing I'll share with you. Share. I have to share this one because there is a book actually, IARD, International Rural Development Book. So that is a prospectus actually, and coffee table book. So that book actually they decided to give it to the outside because that is related to the Cornell University. They said like no, it is taking so much time. We have to give it to the designers. Some good ad agency we have to give because they have to build the team according to that. Then I said only one thing, sir. Please give me one opportunity, please. Initially they said no, but I started doing myself. I designed the book. Coffee table book came very well. And the surprise thing is here, Ratan Tata, as we know that Ratan Tata, his photograph, I personally, as I said, I love Photoshop now. So I am searching his photograph everywhere, but I didn't even find a good one. I have what I did, like I have chosen one normal photograph of Mr. Ratan Tata, and I just designed it as such a beautifully. I felt very happy, and we published that into that coffee table book. So later on, after seeing that book by Mr. Ratan Tata, he just acknowledged himself. He personally wrote the message. He mentioned my name and he just signed. He sent a letter to me, Shrujana. This is the best ever photograph in my life. Thank you so much. That's what he told me. That time I felt really very happy because I did my 100% efforts and I'm so happy. So I just gratitude to all those masters and everyone. In corporate sector is also, as we know, like how the things and how the people are working and how much pressure it was there. We already everyone are aware of that. But I used to handle all those things very nicely. And always I used to focus on my work only. Whoever comes to me, I didn't even say single thing. No, this is not. This is will never. I mean, I will not able to do these things. That is the words I never said to anyone. I was very happy. See, like that, the company bear me like 8 years. 7 to 8 years, I'm working with the same company. They still not ready to lose me because they are saying, no, Shrujana, please, at least work from home also, please do it now. I'm saying this happily. I'm not saying like I'm the like kind of like that. I'm so happy because that rapport and people's affection, people's talking, and everyone is enjoying through me. That is the greatest and biggest thing. And so like that, it is my professional life is also very good. It is going up very well, very nice. So suddenly, what happened? I started. I got affected by uh, bronchitis. So I didn't know what happened. Suddenly, breathing problems started raising, and so much of breathing problem. Like I was not able to talk. I was not able to like many things happened. Like that, it's happened. It's a night means like evening timings and night timings are coming means I used to like shiver like this because and every day I felt like, Ma, at what time will be the morning? Immediately, daytime means I will be very happy. Why this night is coming? My God, I'm not able to bear all these things. That is what only it's happening in my mind. Then my family doctor, she's there. One day it went off very peak level, and I would not able to take a single breath. Then Venu, I said, Venu, like this is what it's happening. Immediately we went to my family doctor, and she said like, you got affected by bronchitis, asthma. So you have to use that inhaler for your lifetime, entire lifetime. Wherever you go, with wherever the place you are being, you have to carry the inhaler with you for your whole lifetime. That's what she told me. Okay, I just listened only that. We came back to our home. I didn't even take that pill. And here, my dear friends, I have to tell one thing. Since these many years, now I am 34. I didn't even take. I mean, one like from my aware, I mean sixth years onwards, I guess, because before that I don't know what happened. I was not aware of that. But 6 years onwards till now, I didn't even take one single pill, one single medicine. Honestly, I'm telling, not a single medicine. Every time, just only the meditation, nothing else. There is nothing actually, because this physical system is always sustaining by all that energy, that light. I didn't even take one single pill. Then she said, do you have to use the inhaler? You have to take the medicine, then only you will be survive. That's what she told me. But I came back to my home in that severe situation. I decided myself, no, I'm spreading the meditation. Meditation can do anything, can reduce anything. So anything we can do into the through the meditation. Okay, but now why it happened to me? Okay, if I got reduced by this, and if I cured by this disease by through meditation, okay, this is the one more experience will be adding into my career. That's what I decided. Yes. I'm always telling so many people that meditation can heal you, and automatically Nadi Mandala Shuddhi, what will happen? So that is what I'm telling. But practically, I have to experience myself. I think that is the reason it is happening to me. That's what I thought. That's it. And my husband, actually, I'm so much thankful to him. Without his supporting, I'm not here today. I'm so much thankful to him, because I told him, Venu, I wanted to quit my job. That time I just won 90,000. He didn't even tell me that no. He said, whatever you like, ma, do it. That's it. That's what he told me. Within 10 minutes, I just resigned my job. And from that day onwards, my strong intention is to get cured that asthma. And I started doing meditation. Morning time, we used to have breakfast with together. And sometimes he come back for lunch. Even that time also I was there in the same meditation posture. That means 4 or 5 hours, 6 hours, I used to do that meditation. I am just 5 hours or 6 hours and 4 hours, whatever the time, whenever the time I get, then immediately just okay, do that meditation. That's it. Automatically, just automatically within 2 or 3 weeks, everything got like it's disappeared like this. And it's a miracle, really. I got cured by that asthma and inhaler, nothing. Where it is gone, I don't know. Since these many years, since these many years, last to last year, we went to Chadar Trek. As everybody knows that Chadar Trek means, and that too, it was minus 48 degrees. We had 6 days trek. Totally, it was minus 44 to minus 45. Chadar Trek. We went and I just walked on the snow. I experienced everything. In fact, there are many people who were suffocating without oxygen and all. I enjoyed 6 days actually, 67 kilometers. We had Chadar Trek and all. See, 12,000 feet altitude. I'm the live example for everyone. And I'm so happy to, and I'm so happy and so proud, so confidently to share this experience to you guys, because you also can do wonders. You also can do all the miracles through the meditation, because our essence is same. We are all same. Energy beings, beautiful souls. That is the reason why I'm here today. And this is a time to surrender and pranam to Patri sir, because he has given us such a wonderful, wonderful tool. And he introduced us everyone to other world. We are always traveling to the beautiful worlds. Really, know how beautiful worlds we are each and every day we are traveling. And the best opportunity, the beautiful souls. You all are beautiful souls. How I'm expressing, and you are all listening to my experiences. When I shared my all experiences, it is all yours only, because you can also experience the same thing by doing meditation. So like this, it is happening to me, and I just cured by myself. And same thing. So I'm going to the trekking and 12th and Ladakh. We went 14,000 height. And so there are many adventures. Bungee also we did. Many things. Adventures. I love adventures and I love nature spirits. Here I forgot one thing also. What is that means? I can talk to plants and trees. They just shared with me all the things. Truly, if I go to one, there actually my friends there actually there is one park near to my house. Seriously, if anyone wants to please come to always whoever the masters are listening to my experiences, I am welcoming you. Everyone, honestly, come to Hyderabad, stay with my home. I'll take you to my friends and I'll introduce my friends seriously. Even they also talk to you very nicely. They communicate us. One just I just if I go to them and if I touch like this or if I hug with them, everything like in a pure consciousness, that pure through that pure consciousness, everything like they used to talk to me like all the nature spirits into that. Like plants I love pretty much, trees and plants, always it is responding to me. Whoever whatever the situations I am, if I'm low, automatically they just boost up my energies like that. So like it is happening very nicely. And recent, and this is the next time I will express more, but this is the last one more experience. This is a very important experience, so I would like to share. Actually what happened recently, just very recently, last March. So I quit my job and I'm doing all this work, and suddenly, okay, I got opportunity to work spiritual India and all. I'm happily working into that, and simultaneously I'm continuing my meditation sessions also. One day when I was there in meditation, one master, his original sthiti is into that light form. Then he came to me and he told me that I'm Broadwin, and he asked me only one question: are you ready? Then I said, master means my husband Venuji, he's asking me like, are you ready? Immediately that time itself only I said, yes, master, I'm ready for everything. Then he said, like, okay, tell the same thing, ma. Okay, said, yeah, I said, okay. From next day onwards, Angelina, she's also into that light form. And I would able to see that spaceship, how that spaceship is there. And that's in that spaceship actually there are two compartments, and in that one compartment on the top of that, actually she's there, and she's always doing a kind of she's building that energies and consciousness, everything. And Angelina, she's so beautiful, she's so beautiful, and she's having a kind of little like kind of a feathers, and that feather is also if we put kind of silver and all into that, a bluish kind of like so small silver foils, and small dots into if you pour like a bluish kind of liquid into that, how we would imagine like that kind of feather she's having. And she's having a long kind of hair, but she's into that light form. Remember, my dear friends, I cannot express more than this because that is very difficult. And what am I? What? Please note this point also. Whatever I'm expressing here and whatever the vision I just experienced, that is only a minute, means 0.11% only I would able to express, because those are all into that light formations. Every master, each and every master, whoever I experienced, I mean, whatever the experience I am going to share with you, all those masters are into that light form only. So she's into that light form, and I would able to see like how mirror, if I go to the mirror, so in front of mirror what will happen, I would able to see myself very clearly, or otherwise like a kind of mirror. Immediately whenever they want to appear in front of me, I was able to see kind of mirror. Then immediately in a physically they used to come to that spaceship, and in that spaceship so my physical, my astral body and all, every day they used to took me, and they did something and all. I was witnessed about all those things. So suddenly like that it was happened to me like 4 or 5 days, and sometimes unknowingly, like when I was there in like emptiness, automatically physically they started coming out, and I would able to see very clearly. So like that it is happened. And one fine day what happened actually when I was there into the meditation, so there, One master actually told me like from tomorrow onwards, you have to go to the Tulasi Ma. She will give you 3 leaves 3 times per a day. Like that, you have to take the three leaves. That means 9 leaves 3 times. She will give you. So you have to connect with yourself. That's what they have given me the message. Actually, the master is Mahatar Babaji. He told me that we went to Kumbh Mela. 144 years Kumbh Mela happened in Allahabad. So actually, by unfortunately, we went by car itself only. We went shortcut and we took the shortcut and we went to Allahabad and we went to Nepal by road only. So Allahabad, I went and there actually I got the opportunity to meditate under Mahathir Babaji's wisdom tree. Then he told me that this is the time to connect with yourself. This is the time to. We are waiting for this because you got initiated by that time, and this is the right time to spread that light through you. That's what he told me. That's it. Next day morning, and from that time itself, that whole day, whole night, I was under guidance of Ma. Ma means the whole existence, full of existence. She's maintaining that. She's spreading all that light, all the dimensions, everywhere. I was there under her presence. And next day morning, my total physical system is totally changed. Really, friends, emptiness, full of emptiness. And my system totally changed. Even from the bathing, when I was taking my bath also, usually like how we take, like we pour like this and we just cleaned our physical system and we'll come back like, no, actually, they took my initially from the beginning of like my fingers and all, it started pouring that energy. And once I came back, totally my physical system, all physical things are like totally disappeared. Always emptiness. Always emptiness. When I go to the Tulasi Ma and all, like she used to give me that three leaves. And once she gave me that, I have to only take that water in a day, three leaves, 3 times I took, and I visited to the Brahmaloka, Saptarishis one day, and they explained me like very clearly what is my purpose. Every day, every day they used to take me to the different dimensions. Brahmaloka, pure consciousness, emptiness, and so much of creation. And every day, all those like through me, like all the light formations, all those geometrical formations. And when I go into deeper and when I connect with that light, there is a kind of voice from Angelina. Feel that light, my dear. Feel the joy. Go into the deep. Connect with yourself, my dear. We are connecting with the higher worlds. All those some kind of voice and some kind of light formations, language and geometrical formations. Every day I drawn many kind of geometrical formations also. I will share with you all. Such a wonderful, full of emptiness. Nirvana Loka, Brahma Loka, Saptarishis, where the Saptarishi, how they are, each and every Saptarishi is having a kind of geometrical formations. Their original sthiti is different. That light is totally different. Here, what I'm expressing that light is, it's not a light. It's a emptiness. It's a pure consciousness. They told me that through you, we have, created by many channels. So and they have assigned me like many kind of angel bees and angelinas. Those are all into the light forms. And I have seen very clearly how that Mother Earth, actually this thing, why it happened means, whole actually Mother Earth, when she was unbearable of all these things, they just went under guidance of Babaji and Hanumanji. So they just both decided and they have given the word to her. Now, from now onwards, we will be the take caring of all those earth planets and all. That is the reason why, because that is the reason why we are so much connected with that nature plants, nature spirits. That is the reason all the nature spirits are protecting us. And I have clearly seen how all those channels in being created. There are like kind of channels, and where those all angel wheels went there and filled with that energy. Because of that, all those masters' hands, it is like pulling up the planet Earth in a higher worlds. Like that, I have seen many experiences. So, masters, I request, please, this is the time to utilize. Please go within you and feel that joy. Always feel your inside. Always listen to yourself. I'm sure definitely you will get such a wonderful experience, because they just expressed me everything. This is the time whoever the master says, coming into the meditation, they'll be like a kind of flower, how it blossoms. Their energy levels also always going into that, because I experienced and I have seen that light how it is spreading in the whole world. All, in fact, not in the Earth planet, all the dimensions how it is spreading, and I have seen very clearly. And if I get the opportunity, please next time I will share my meditation also with you guys. So now I'm so happy. I'm so thankful to you all uh, by listening all this experience. I'm so happy to share with you. Thank you so much, really. Thank you, thank you. Thanks to Patri sir. Thanks to Patri madam also. And especially my thanks to Lakshmanaya sir, because uh, I actually I know him very well. Like how means I always, whenever my husband is talking about you, sir, so I thought like, he's my family member only. Okay, so I don't have any fear. I can connect immediately today. Like so, by you today, I got many friends, sir. I'm so happy. Next time we will share.
Nice.
I will share my meditation experience also.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for your time. You have shared a wonderful spiritual journey, and then
Yes, sir. Yeah.
very lively. It became your this thing very lively. So laughing and sharing. Only we are short of time, madam. Only short. We need
Thank
another
you.
1 hour for you, I think. We are short of time.
Definitely, sir. Next time we
Another
all
5
will
minutes
do
will be having
meditation
another session.
together.
Another time. So
Yes.
now let me quickly hand over this session to my co-host, Master
Yes, sir.
Shyamavati.
Good evening to everyone, and thank you, Master Lakshmanan. Hi, Ma'am. Master.
Hello, hello.
Hi, my name is Shima.
Uh-huh.
First of all, I must thank you for spending your valuable time with us. And
It's my pleasure.
your
Really, it's my
spiritual
pleasure, sir.
journey was mind blowing and extraordinary. It was
Thank you,
like,
thank you. Ma'am.
I was sitting in the, I feel I was sitting in the theater, watch, like, feeling same time, the way you express, and I could even imagine every experience that you shared. It was really, really wonderful. And I
Thank you.
would say that we must thank you that you have showed us how a person can create wonders with meditation. That's what you have been telling us
Correct,
from your
correct.
experience that I learned. What kind of wonders I can do with meditation. It's really, really mind blowing. I can do a lot of things. I feel very confident today. I don't know where this
Thank
confidence
you.
has come. Suddenly, after listening to the experiences, I feel extremely confident that I can do anything possible with
Exactly,
meditation.
exactly.
So, thank
Thank
you
you,
very
thank
much
you.
for that, man. Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
thank
much.
you,
So,
thank you.
only the time is not allowing us to,
See how I'm blushing when you
continue.
are saying, like I'm feeling like you and me, like both are same. I'm experiencing. I'm just, my consciousness is going within you, and I myself, I'm feeling like it is happening to me. Thank you.
Yeah, I too felt the same. I feel like I cling to my chair. I can't even move. I was like just like that until Master Lakshman reminded me to on my video. I was lost. I want to hear more, that beautiful. Amazing,
Definitely,
amazing,
definitely.
Srijana Master, amazing, and thank you very much.
Thank you.
We want to surely the rest of the audience would have felt the same, and all the masters will really want to see you with more experiences later. I mean, to share,
Definitely, definitely.
to hear
Next
more
time
of
I'll
you.
show you my all those geometrical formations. Like whatever the message come to me, I always ready to share with you all.
That's a wonderful, great, Master. Thank you very much. And let us open to the group if anybody has a question to ask Master Srijana.
Vanakkam, Master.
Yeah.
Such
Namaste.
a beautiful experience. I was following to every single word that you were telling, and I was really enjoying every moment.
Yeah.
You know, like I was
Thank you,
going
ma'am.
through the experience through your experience.
Right.
You know, there
Thank
are
you,
some
thank you.
session that I had goosebumps with me. You know, it was really, really good. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your experience with us.
Thank
It
you, ma.
was
Thank
really
you.
mind blowing, mind blowing. Today Ayaba was talking about locusts and you are talking about locusts also, you know, and I am so much interested to go and explore all the locusts.
Exactly, exactly. It will happen to you definitely, definitely, because this is the right time. I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty much sure because see, we entered into that light period, and now this is the time like Hanumanji and especially Mahatar Babaji, they both are like, whoever wants to evolve, whoever wants to experience, whoever started stepping to the meditation, this is the right time to get all the opportunity because that is what the message got me. So that is my responsibility to share with everyone. Then only they'll get the experience.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Definitely. I
Thank you.
wish,
Thank
and
you.
next time when we met, I would like to listen the wonderful experiences also.
Definitely. Definitely looking forward to that.
Yeah. Okay. And let's see, Master. Yeah, Master Chandra has a question. I think he has raised his hand. Master, you can unmute and speak to.
Namaskaram, Master Srijana.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic experience sharing, madam.
Thank
Fantastic.
you, sir. Thank you.
And I got two questions.
Yes, sir.
Just now you mentioned that you went to Brahmaloka and then
Yes, yes, yes.
Saptarishi Loka, all those things. And then you also met lots of Greek masters. Okay.
Mhm.
How can you recognize them? Okay, this is Buddha, this is Lobsang
Hmm.
Rangpa.
Hmm.
Uh,
Saptaloka
so,
and all. Yeah.
yeah. So how
Actually,
can yes, madam.
huh.
Yeah. Do they
Yes, sir.
just now you mentioned souls are energy.
Yes,
So
yes.
do they form like what Buddha look like? Buddha's soul look like him or something else? Please
Yeah,
share with.
sir, actually here, according to that, because of that vibration levels in each of every loka, so our bodies got, our bodies always, got display like that. Suppose in the planet Earth, on the planet Earth, like how we are having the physical system and we are having the physical body, and we could able to identify each and every one, like nature spirits and whoever is there like that. If we transformed and if our vibration levels are going to increase day by day, so we would able to travel according to those lokas, and we would able to communicate with that kind of light formations only, that light language, and whatever that light language I would able to hear, and that is the reason, yeah, maybe in the future I'm by under guidance of by Babaji and Ma and everyone, maybe that light language is also I could able to express that, and it is a kind of geometrical formations only, and sometimes those light language like they give the resemblance to you like 0.1% I could able to give you a kind of when we were our childhood, there was a scale actually. If you remember all those things, those circles, if we drawn like this, all kind of geometrical formations used to come.
Okay, okay,
That
yeah, yeah.
kind of all that, that
Mhm.
kind of thing actually, each and every loka which is represented by light forms, each and every loka is there having their own formations. And that if we see, suppose as a person, I felt actually I used to have Shiva consciousness more, very more. So when I was there in my planet Earth, and according to my vibration levels and all, I would able to see a different perception. But recently. Recently, once I got experienced and when I traveled with that emptiness through that light and all, then their original sthiti of Shiva is totally different. Even
Hmm.
his, I mean, I will share you actually. That language, I mean, kind of that
Oh,
geometrical formations also, I found him actually. So
no.
wherever we go, and before that, I was under guidance by Angelina. So
No.
she used to took me that. So she used to took me to all the places. Before
Oh,
going to that today, like we are traveling to these places, we are going entering to the Saptarishis and all. So
yeah.
like that, when I traveled into the Saptarishis, she guided me. And but for the Brahmaloka and Nirvanic Loka, totally like only that light form.
Oh,
So even Brahmaloka, sorry, these Saptarishis is also each and every rishi is having their own geometrical formations, and everybody is by taking of their like how we are having the all the systems and all, like they're also spreading that light and according to their perceptions and their levels every day kind of that light whoever that maintaining by ma, so under that light guidance is happened.
oh,
And like only simple thing I'll tell you, sir. My situation is, suppose imagine a child is there. Child would able to notice everything, but he could not express
correct.
because he that time actually he didn't he cannot speak. No, like that my situation is because I have seen many things, many geometrical formations, and into that I traveled into that emptiness. Now I'm having so much enthusiasm to express, but I don't know how to show that all those things like.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay, very quickly, Master, I would like to read the some of the messages from the audience, the masters here. Um, okay, sorry. Master Bhaskaran says, wonderful experience. Master Krishnavani Arunasalam says, thank you, Master, for the great spiritual journey of you. Master Nalini Murugan says, mind-blowing experience sharing. I gained so much wisdom from you. Thank you so much, Master. Master Papia says, yes, it was mind-blowing sharing. Thank you very much, Master. And Master Krishnavani says, yes, I love it.
Thank you, thank you.